Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you will be fine and enjoying at your homes. Welcome into English lesson students. Today we are going to learn about the active and passive voice. As you have already done the exercises of active and passive voice, I am keeping it quite simple. What are the basic changes which will occur in active toward the passive voice? First example I will give you here is when we are talking about the active voice, the scheme of the sentence will be like a simple sentence. It will be as simple subject, verb and object. In simple words we call it SVO. Subject, verb and objects become together and make a tense. So it means the active voice is not different from a simple tense. But when we are talking about the passive voice, the sequence will be changed. It will become like that: object at the first number, verb will be at the same place. Here students, one addition will be done in the passive voice, that is the must one, the use of by. BY, by, and on the last subject will come. On the third number subject will come. Here in the active voice, SVO will changed in the passive voice OVS by the addition of word by. Okay, so these are very simple two elements which I have made clear in your mind. Now move toward the example. If I will write one example, a very simple one: I eat food. Subject I, verb eat, and object is food, SVO. But students, now what is this? This is active voice. Okay, it is denoting to the active voice. When we have to change the voice, we have to change it into the passive voice. What will we do? Object will move here, food, then the form of verb, another helping verb will be used. We'll put the word is for the simple present tense, present indefinite, is, addition of is, and the third form of the verb will come in the passive voice. As you can see here, we are talking I eat food, but when it will become passive voice and the addition of by will come, with the helping verb, form of verb will be changed. So here in this OVS, the verb will change in the sense of forms, means second and third form will come here. So object we will move here, food is eaten, the addition of by, food is eaten by me. Here students, the change of first person will be done into the second person. So I am going to share 2 to 3 links related to the active and passive voice with you, where you can learn about the changings, how one tense will change into another tense. The second thing which I am going to share with you in this video is the column and the table of the first, second and third person, how we will change the first person into the second and third person. And students, in active and passive voice, there are so many words. When they are coming in active voice, we will change them in the passive voice. How we will change them? I will send you a table, so memorize that table and do practice of active and passive voice very carefully. Here students, I have selected one video for you, that how passive voice rules for all the tenses. First of all, you have to see the structure of active and passive voice, how you can change them. Okay, so the first tense which we know is the present simple tense, where the subject will come, verb first will come with the first form of verb, and then second sentence is continuous tense, where is, am, are, and verb third form will be changed. So here I will share one example with you. I make a cake. A cake is made by me. So how we change the active into passive? I made a cake and a cake is made by me. These all implications are done accordingly. Now see the next one, which is the present continuous tense. How we'll change it? The simple present continuous tense contains subject, helping verb, am, is, are, with the addition of ing. Let's see the example of active voice. They are planting some trees. Okay, so how will change into passive? Some trees are being planted by them. They will be changed into them. Okay, so this is that's what I was talking about, the first and second person, and few words like that, they will be changed into them. Next is present perfect tense. Subject, has, have, verbs third form we use in the tense. And when we will write the first example of this tense in active voice, we will say someone has eaten my apple. Has eaten my apple. How will change into passive? My apple has been eaten by someone. Okay, so my apple has been eaten by someone. Now check present perfect continuous tense. It is very rare when we use passive voice in these tenses, but rarely it comes. So use of has, have been plus third form plus the addition of ing in the sentence, and how we will change them into the passive voice. See the example. Sophia has been playing violin. Violin has been being played by Sophia. Okay, so I hope so you have learned. This is the total structure. Okay, how active voice of a tense is used with the subject, verb and object, and how we are going to change it into the passive voice. What student you are going to do is, you are going to take the rough sheets and you are going to write the rules on your loose sheets, not on the pen books or not on the laptops or with the mobile help. Okay, use your hands to write the formulas, simple tenses, structure, and one example of each sentence. Till today it is enough for you. I hope so it is clear to you, as I can send you the screenshot of this video as well. So memorize the active and passive voice rules first of all, and 4 tenses examples should be sent in your homework tomorrow. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.